Import individual models and axiography in exocad. Possibilities of work in exocad with axiography data. There are two digital protocols, which you can use for work. The first is you work with virtual articulator, adjust it and do the diagnostic or modeling construction. And the second is where you use fully individual digital protocol when you additionally export axiography in exocad. How you can do it? You have the models in a given ratio. While exporting these models, you need to consider that you will upload axiography in exocad, so the loading algorithm is slightly different. To export individual models, you need to find the section Individual Models in the right menu, select the subsection Advanced. Here on Export you need to select upper and lower jaw and also activate upper jaw on the 3D stand. This is the third supporting scan which you needed to upload individual models and axio correctly in a unified coordinate system. Then select the reference plane which you need, for example Frankfurt plane, select the program in articulator. Or you can make a mixed planning. Some parameters you will check in articulator, some parameters you will check with trajectories. It is important to consider that we are exporting three files: upper and lower jaw and upper jaw on the 3D stand. The last file is created by the program. Any type of axiography which you recorded earlier is possible to export. How you can do it? In the left bottom menu select axiography which you need, then in the right menu select the same name section and open the button for Export Axio, Export Trajectories to exocad, click it. The next step is to name the file, it will be Axio, and click the button, OK. In exocad, when you create a patient you need to activate jaw motion function. It's activated in the left menu, choosing configuration of the material, or in the top menu, search jaw motion, and choose it. After that you need to tick scan marker of jaw motion in the bottom menu under the dentition line. Tick it, choose the same articulator what you marked in P-Art program, save the project, and start CAD. On this way of data upload, program will ask to upload scans in a certain order and it must be observed so as not to violate the algorithm. In the upload menu select upper jaw model. The next step program asks to upload movement registrar. This is the third file from the program. Here you select upper jaw on the 3D stand. And the last is the lower jaw model. The next stage is matching upper jaw model with upper jaw on the 3D stand. It goes on its own algorithm. Align upper jaw position and compare it. The next step is to select the type of jaw motion registration, it's ProSystem. It's a 3D stand data. Click Next. Here you need rotate upper jaw model to see occlusal surface, using the arrows in the right menu. Click Next. Here in Virtual Articulator menu, you select Upload Movement Data, and Upload Axiography, which you exported from P-Art program. In the Jaw Movement menu select Axiography. Here the all trajectories which you recorded early. Using the trajectories, you can move the lower jaw. So, any modeling work can be individualized with axiography and patient's articulation.